Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the updated Binance sign-up process for 2026, step by step. I prepared this so that beginners can follow along without difficulty. If you register using the link below the video, you'll get a 20% discount on trading fees plus additional bonus rewards. First, let's see how to sign up for Binance. When you tap the link under the video, you'll be redirected straight to the Binance sign-up page. On this page, you'll notice that the 20% fee discount and bonus rewards are already applied. To create an account, enter either your email address or your mobile phone number. Select the checkbox that agrees with the terms and conditions. Press Continue to move forward. Choose the image that correctly matches the word shown on the left. Next, confirm your email address or phone number through verification. Next, set a password. Please set the password at least 8 characters and include 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. If you see a field asking for a referral code, make sure to type in SKY333. By using this code, you'll receive a 20% Binance trading fee discount along with extra bonus rewards. For that reason, I strongly suggest entering the code before finishing your registration. Once this step is done, your Binance account will be successfully created. Second, let's find out how to authenticate KYC identity. Identity verification is necessary to use peer-to-peer services, withdraw funds, and trade on Binance. Because facial verification is required, we'll continue the process using a smartphone. Make sure the Binance app is installed on your phone. Once the installation is complete, tap to open the app. Sign in using the account you just registered. You'll be automatically directed to the identity verification screen. Select your country or nationality. For this example, I'll choose India. Pick one of the supported identity documents. Choose passport as the verification option. Next, select the Take Pictures button. After that, press Continue. Ensure the passport information page fits clearly within the frame, then take the photo. Double-check that the image is clear and free from glare or shadows. Next, move on to the facial recognition step. Position your face inside the frame and follow the on-screen instructions. You've now completed the identity verification process. There's about an hour of screening time. Your account status will change to verified. Finally, let's look at Google's Authenticator to enhance security. Go back to the Binance screen on your PC. From the left menu, click on Account and select Security. We'll strengthen account protection by activating the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then choose Enable Authenticator app. Complete the verification using your email or phone number. A QR code will then appear on the screen. Install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Open the app and tap the button in the bottom right corner. Select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. A 6-digit Binance verification code will appear in the app. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the field. Once this step is finished, Google Authenticator will be fully set up. In this video, we introduced you step by step how to sign up for the latest Binance and Set Up certification as of 2026. If this video was helpful, please remember to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching all the way to the end.